boys and vibers. How are you all? Today I'm going to show you another dessert that is homemade flan. It is just like pudding, but I'm just doing with only milk and no bread. So let's see first the ingredients. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt, 1 cup sugar, 3 eggs, condensed milk, and with this portion I have taken milk, that is 1 can milk. Let's melt this sugar for caramelize. Just make it temperature medium. Keep on stirring it, otherwise the sugar will get burned. Now see, brown color has come. So just put off the flame and pour in a bowl. Pour this in a bowl. So my sugar is done. It takes 10 to 15 minutes for this color. So now make it cool, entirely cool, and for the meanwhile I just make the mixture. 2 whole egg and 1 egg white. Now I have to add little bit of lemon zest. Now this is the lemon zest I have to add with the egg. Add the vanilla extract. Pinch of salt. And blend it for 30 seconds again. It's time to add condensed milk and with the same proportion of milk also, and blend it with the mixture for 30 seconds. Now milk. I forgot to tell you that the milk should be whole milk. And again blend it for 30 seconds. Now the mixture is ready. It's time to pour in the sugar. The whole thing is ready. Now it's time to oven for about 350 degree Fahrenheit, which is equal to 177 degrees centigrade. Now I have to pour in a bowl and add some hot water. Now just put in the oven. And now the temperature will be 350 degree Fahrenheit, which is equivalent to 177 degree centigrade. So here I just put it on the temperature and it will be about 45 minutes.
And this is after 45 minutes.
Now allow it to cool down and refrigerate for 4 hours. It's better if you refrigerate for whole night, but if you are in hurry, so at least 4 hours needed. Now my homemade flan is ready. I will flip the whole thing and serve it in a plate. Now my flan is ready. Have a look, guys. Is it awesome?
You can do it in a microwave also if you have oven option there.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share with your friends and families. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, there is a link given below. So till then, I will enjoy this flan. You also made at your home. So till then, Take care. Bye bye.